Here's a screenshot of a website I created with AI. Now check this out. This website makes around $500 every single day, and the best part is that it was created by an AI bot. It took me only 30 seconds to put everything together, and now I am raking in some serious cash. Can you believe this? In today's video, I am going to show you exactly how to create these kinds of AI-powered websites that automatically bring in money while you sleep. And it doesn't matter if you have zero experience or technical skills. This method is super easy to use and you don't need any money to get started. Plus, there's almost no competition right now. So this is your chance to get ahead of everyone else and start making passive income with AI. Are you ready to learn more? Keep watching. But before we go further into this video, welcome to our channel where we will teach you the latest making money online ideas, tips and tricks. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and hit the like button so that you will be notified whenever I upload a new video. And lastly, don't forget to leave a comment below. Alright, now, let me show you some proof that this actually works. Here is a website that I generated with AI that is making over $5,000 per month, and here is another one making over $3,000 per month. These websites are bringing in thousands of dollars every month, and all it took was a few minutes to create them with the help of AI. And what is even more amazing is that these websites were created by regular people just like you who had no previous experience or technical knowledge. One of them is an affiliate website, which means they promote other people's products and earn commissions on any sales they generate. Another one uses display ads to monetize their website traffic, and the last one offers paid services through their website. The best part is that these websites were built using the same techniques I am going to share with you in this video. So if they can do it, so can you. Now let me show you exactly how to create a similar website. First, you need to choose a profitable niche for your website. You want to pick something that has a high demand but not too much competition. To do this, simply search on Google for topics related to your interests and see which ones have a high search volume but aren't dominated by big websites. Once you find a promising topic, you can use AI tools like ChatGPT to help you narrow it down further. For example, if you search for best laptops for video editing, ChatGPT can suggest more specific subtopics like best laptops for video editing under 1000 or best laptops for video editing for beginners. These more focused topics will help you create a website that targets a particular audience and avoids competing with large websites that cover broader topics. Additionally, you can use AI tools like Ebook to analyze the search volume and competition for your chosen keyword. This will give you a better understanding of whether or not your target audience is interested in your topic and how difficult it will be to rank on Google. If the search volume is high but the competition is low, then you've found a great topic for your website. Once you've identified a profitable niche, it's time to build your website. And here's where AI can really help you save time and effort, instead of spending weeks trying to learn how to code or hire an expensive web developer. You can use AI website builders to create a professional-looking website in just a few minutes. Some popular options include Durable AI, 10Web AI, and Framer AI. These platforms are incredibly user-friendly and intuitive, allowing you to easily drag and drop elements onto your website and customize the design to your liking. Plus, since these websites are powered by AI, they come with built-in features that can help you optimize your content and improve your SEO ranking. For example, some platforms offer suggestions for relevant keywords to include in your content based on popular search queries. Others can automatically generate meta descriptions and image alt tags to help you get found on Google. By using an AI website builder, you'll be able to create a high-quality website that is optimized for SEO without any technical knowledge or experience. Now that you've built your website, it's time to start creating content for it. And once again, AI can be your best friend here. Writing high-quality, engaging content can be time-consuming, but with the help of AI writing assistants like ChatGPT and Copy AI, you can generate content in a fraction of the time. Simply enter your target keyword or a brief description of the topic you want to write about, and AI will generate multiple unique and SEO-optimized articles for you to choose from. Once you've generated some content, it's important to edit and refine it to ensure it's accurate, engaging, and relevant to your target audience. While AI writing assistants are incredibly useful, they're not perfect and sometimes generate content that needs to be fact-checked or revised. Additionally, you will want to add your own personal touch to the content to make it more engaging and relatable to your readers. Overall, using AI writing assistants like ChatGPT and Copy AI can save you a significant amount of time when creating content for your website. And with their help, you'll be able to publish high-quality, engaging content that satisfies your audience and improves your SEO ranking. To help you get found on Google, it's important to use tools that can analyze your website and provide suggestions for improvement. One such tool is Surfer SEO, which can help you optimize your content and improve your website's ranking in search engine results pages. By using Surfer SEO, you can track your website's performance, identify areas for improvement, and make data-driven decisions about your content strategy. This tool is incredibly useful for anyone looking to improve their website's visibility on Google and attract more organic traffic. So be sure to check it out and take your website to the next level. And that's it. With just a few simple steps and the help of powerful AI tools, you can create a high-quality, SEO-optimized website that's ready to generate passive income. Whether you want to monetize your website through affiliate marketing, display ads, or selling services, the possibilities are endless. Now it's time for you to take action and start building your own AI-powered website. Remember, the key to success is to choose a profitable niche. Use AI tools to streamline the website creation process and optimize your content for SEO. With the right mindset and approach, you can achieve your financial goals and live the life you've always dreamed of. Do you want to know how much money you can make with these AI methods? Watch this next video to find out.